Hey there, I'm making this quick video if your Starlink is not showing up on Wi-Fi and how you can possibly fix this issue. So first thing that you can try resetting the router by quickly unplugging the power cable 6 times. And like they change like the 6 power cycles. This is the first thing. The second thing is that then is like once you have factory reset the gate, the SSD reverts to the default, likely Starlink. Disconnect your device from its current SSID. This is the first thing that you want to do. Connect to default Starlink SSID, no password required, and follow the prompts to reestablish your own unique SSD and Wi-Fi password. And then also, if it was put away for a long time, try unplugging 3 times instead of 6 if on its on 6x preset. So now, I tried resetting mine once by doing the stupid replugging the power cycle. I struggled to do with the cable in the socket showing some resistance, so instead I used the PowerPoint with actual switch and just cycled the switch 6 times and it worked. So this is something that you can try, just make this quick video that maybe it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.